And now it's all backed up. And look at how backed up that shit is. Holy shit. And it's just foaming up. It's flowing out here. It's coming up the side of the hill. Look at all that bamboo. Holy crap. You'll walk across it now. Doesn't seem to be getting as high anymore. It looks like it receded a little bit. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh, now it's raining some more. Well, this is where we're at so far. Looks like it's been cleared out. And it's flowing good. I think that trash can went straight through there. It's back down to its normal size here. Woo, I washed out a bunch.